Welcome to Cantabria, a maritime region of Spain with a strategic Atlantic position and a long history as a bridge for growth between Europe and Latin America. We are defined by a strong industrial DNA, with industry accounting for around 20% of our economy. We are driven by an environment of outstanding quality of life, safety and proven social stability. What's more, our institutional stability provides a fast and secure environment for private investment. For the assembly of next-generation vehicles, we offer you the La Pasiega Industrial Park, 2 million square meters of industrial and logistics land, just 12 kilometers from the Port of Santander. The site will feature a state-of-the-art intermodal rail terminal covering 140,000 square meters. Vehicles produced at the plant will be loaded directly onto trains bound for the port, delivering significant cost savings and sustainable, highly efficient logistics. The Port of Santander is not only Spain's national leader in vehicle handling and ro-ro traffic, it is also your direct export gateway to the entire continent and to Latin America. Its connectivity will be further strengthened by the forthcoming rail motorway to Madrid, creating a first-class strategic hub for Europe. Cantabria also offers a highly consolidated automotive ecosystem, supported by a robust network of companies with exceptional capacity for innovation, alongside universities and technology centres ready to collaborate on your projects and support your future development. La Pasiega, the railway network and the port together create a logistics synergy few locations in Europe can match. With the strong support and tailored incentives of the government of Cantabria, this is the ideal strategic location for the Chinese automotive industry. Spain has always been a crossroads, and Santander, with its historic port, stands ready to be the gateway to your future in Europe. Welcome to Cantabria. Welcome to your European future.